how to download songs for free on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to download free songs directly to your phone, here is how to do it easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the web browser like Google Chrome, and here once you are inside the app, simply search for the pixabay.com. And once you are inside the Pixabay, it will offer you a tons of royalty-free and copyright-free music, which is perfect for personal and creative use. So here, once you are inside the site, simply swipe across the top menu until you see the music. And once you see it, simply tap on it. And now here, right under the music tab, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the huge list of tracks. So just tap on the play button to preview the song, and if you like it, you can just tap on the download icon next to the track, and here once it's downloaded, you'll see the option at the top to open the file directly to start listening. And that's it. That's how you can download songs for free on phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.